If you're not using video to grow your real estate brand or business in 2025, you're already behind. Today was one of those days that reminded me why I say never stop learning. So, I had the privilege of sitting alongside other top producers in my market center and being poured into by none other than Jeff Glover. He's an absolute powerhouse when it comes to real estate and marketing. So, the focus of today's top producer mastermind session was the power of video and social media. And let me tell you, it wasn't fluff. It was real strategy, real accountability, and real talk about how to show up in your business and be consistent. So I'm going to share some few gems that I walked away with. Number one, you're either known or you're invisible. Show up daily. Number two, don't just inform, entertain and inspire. Bring your energy. Number three, every piece of content should either connect, convert, or clarify. And guess what? You don't have to be perfect to show up on video. You just have to be real. Your next client is already scrolling. The question is, will they stop for you? So, if you've ever been thinking about using video in your business or you've just been nervous to press record, let this be a nudge. You have a story, you have value, and someone out there needs to hear it from you. So, drop a comment below if you're ready to level up your video game. And if you're a buyer or a seller or agent needing guidance, I'm here. And my DMs are always open. Or you can click the link in my bio to connect with me to do one on one. It's your favorite realtor, Shanda McRae. See y'all for day 58.